Those are nice doors too.
Yeah.
Nice. Can I come in? Uh-oh. Thank you. How you doing, sir? Jacob. Great, man. Man, this is cool. Could you tell me your name real quick or what's in here, man?
Thomas, I got 6 HDX3 15 sound tube. Okay. On a Taramps 15K, 108 amp hours of Lishons, 390 amp alternator.
Nice. Did you ever get it metered?
Nah, I don't do that anymore.
And this is a 6th order.
Yep.
Do you know your tunings on it?
So I'm 59 in the back, 26 in the front.
Okay. I like the way you have a plexi spot here too.
Yeah, I just got to throw it in there.
Because if you're getting a demo, if you don't have this, you don't know what's in here.
See anything in there.
That looks good. And you built this?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. I'm gonna go look at the amp in the back. That's alright. So what is this wire to?
0.7.
0.7 on the 6? Okay, got it. And how much lithium again?
108.
108, okay. Yeah, your voltage stayed in high 13s, 14s. Good. Really good.
Yeah, for a little 4-cylinder motor, that
Yep.
might be struggling some.
Yes, sir. Can I see your alternator?
Oh, it's underneath the engine.
Don't worry about it, it's all good. What's up, man? What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Thomas' system at the Slamfest audio show in the Tampa, Florida area. So be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Definitely a really windy and really good bandwidth musical response, 6th order with 615-inch subs. If you didn't get a quick shot when I was inside, look at that really thick plexiglass that he added in there. It's probably around an inch to an inch and a half, it looks like. And also, if that back port helps with the low-end tuning. So this is a 6th order bandpass enclosure. So having that subwoofer inverted helps with looking at that motor force to be able to kind of see how nice those motors look 6th order. And having that subwoofer motor inverted helps with wiring a little bit easier, so you don't have to remove them whenever you try to adjust, depending on the amplifier running. And of course, the 15,000 watt amplifier he has ran. Pretty sure he had it, since there is 6 subs, I think he had it around the 0.8 ohm to 1.3 ohm mark. And a big lithium bank to help power it. I'm sure he's done a lot of work to get to where it is, and I'm sure he also built this thing into the vehicle because it's a huge box. Total of 15,000 watts on 6 15-inch subs. I definitely looking forward to showing you all a lot more car audio videos on my channel, JacobViral, every single day. Got over 300 left to share for this year, so you got to stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos, and enjoy. All right, yeah, I love to hear it, man. This looks good.
Making better It's a flat, clean load, like 25 to 32, 33. I don't know. Just you don't notice any fall off. That's really windy too, man. It doesn't move hardly either.
Yeah, loads for whatever reason it's not always like that, but the highs,
Yeah.
pressurize really hard.
Yes, sir. Very nice. What was your name?
Thomas.
Thomas. Thank you, Thomas, for the demo, man. Thank you very much for the demo.